Two megacities, one epic street food battle. Who wins? We are about to find out. Today, I'm putting Tokyo and Mumbai head-to-head in the ultimate street food showdown. I have 8 legendary dishes right here, 4 from Tokyo and 4 from Mumbai. Rapid-fire taste test coming up, insane facts about each dish, then I'll deliver a verdict. The fastest, most insane food tour you've seen. We've got sushi, takoyaki, ramen, and yakitori representing Team Tokyo. And for Team Mumbai, we have vada pav, pav bhaji, pani puri, and sikh kebabs. Flavors will be totally different. Delicate umami versus explosive spice. Delicate umami, explosive spice. A culinary clash of titans. Right here, right now. I'm eating my way across 2 continents in 10 minutes. Are you Team Tokyo or Team Mumbai? Lock it in. 3, 2, 1. First dish up, a classic from Tokyo. This will be absolute chaos, and I can't wait to see who wins. Let's get eating. Alright, first up from Tokyo, we have street sushi. Not fancy sit-down sushi. This is fast, fresh, on-the-go perfection you can grab as you walk through a market like Tsukiji. Fact: sushi began as a way to preserve fish in fermented rice. Now it's a global icon born on the streets. Street sushi is about speed and flavor. No frills, just precision. The fish is sliced, placed on seasoned rice, boom, ready. When the fish is this fresh, you don't need much. These vendors make delicious, high-quality sushi in seconds. I'm going for the tuna nigiri. Look at that color. It's so vibrant. Slightly warm rice with a hint of vinegar cuts through the richness, melts in your mouth. Savory fish, tangy rice, a little kick of wasabi. It's a perfect bite. You can crush 5 in under a minute, each one flawless. Tokyo comes out strong. Street sushi gets a solid 9 out of 10. High bar set. But we're staying in Tokyo. Hotter, louder, more chaotic next. Next up, takoyaki. Little spheres of batter with diced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger and green onion, cooked in half-sphere molds, flipped with lightning-fast picks. Crispy outside, perfectly round, culinary theater, sweet savory sauce, creamy mayo, seaweed powder, and dancing bonito flakes. It looks like it's alive. Careful, famously, volcanically hot inside. Crispy shell, molten creamy center, then that chewy octopus hit, savory batter, sweetness from the sauce, mayo creaminess, umami from seaweed and bonito. Japanese comfort food, fun, interactive, ridiculously delicious. For street vibes and flavor explosion, takoyaki gets a 9.5. Tokyo's on a roll. You can't talk Japanese food without ramen, street style from a yatai, fast but packed with soul. This is tonkotsu, rich, creamy pork bone broth simmered for hours. Savory, fatty, collagen-rich. Coats your mouth like a warm hug. Perfectly bouncy noodles holding on to that depth. Tender chashu, jammy egg, sharp scallions, every component in harmony. In Japan, slurping isn't rude. It shows respect and aerates the broth to boost flavor. From a tiny cart, insane complexity, refined over generations, comfort, flavor, street soul. The street ramen is pure perfection, an easy 10 out of 10. 3 dishes in, scores are 9, 9.5, and 10. One more Tokyo legend before we fly, yakitori. Yakitori, skewered chicken grilled over binchatan. Simple doesn't mean boring. Nose-to-tail variety is wild. Low-smoke binchatan cooks slow, tear caramelizes. Sticky, smoky, heavenly. One moment tender thigh, next crunchy skin, then savory tsukune. Essential to Japanese nightlife. Simple, social, delicious. Yakitori gets a 9. Tokyo's final score, 9.4. That's a tough score to beat. Wheels up, Mumbai, here we come. Time to see what Mumbai's got. Can they top it? Let the battle continue. We've landed, and we're kicking off with the undisputed king, the vada pav. The Indian burger, but so much more. Born in the 60s for textile workers, cheap, fast, filling, a cultural icon. Spicy potato fritter, coated in chickpea batter, fried golden. Magics in the chutneys, fiery dry garlic coconut, sweet tamarind, spicy green chili, soft bread, crispy shell, fluffy potato, then sweet, spicy, garlicky fireworks. First hit is spice, turmeric, mustard seed, curry leaves. Then that garlic punch. Carby, spicy, savory, unbelievably satisfying. Fuel for 20 million. Cheap, accessible, packed with flavor. This is an emotion. For impact and value, Vada Pav gets 9.5. Mumbai comes out swinging. Tokyo started strong, but Mumbai's here to play. The competition is on. Pav Bhaji, dinner and a show on a massive griddle. Mashed with a giant press, loud, messy, smells incredible. Add a mountain of butter and that signature spice blend. Tangy, unique, deeply savory. Simmer till it glows. Pure flavor bomb. Pavs toasted on the tawa, crispy outside, soft inside, soaked in buttery spice. Serve with chopped onions and a wedge of lime. Soft buttery pav is the perfect vehicle. Lime cuts richness, messy and glorious. Ultimate comfort, bursting with layered spice. Entertainment just watching it made. Explosion of flavor. Pav Bhaji gets a 10. Mumbai ties Tokyo's top score. This is getting intense. 2 dishes left for Mumbai. This is Pani Puri, aka Golgappa, Fuchka, a bite-sized mind-blower. Tiny edible bowls. Savory, starchy base inside. The pani is the star. Tangy, spicy, a little sweet, out of this world. You eat it immediately, in one bite, or it explodes everywhere. Crunch, soft filling, then a tidal wave of pani. Sweet, sour, spicy, herby, salty. Shocking and exhilarating. Totally addictive. There's nothing like it on the planet. For the interactive thrill and flavor audacity, 9.5. It all comes down to the last round. Battle of the skewers. Mumbai answers with Sikh kebabs. Final round. Skewers versus skewers. Yakitori is delicate umami. Sikh is smoke, spice, and char. Spiced mince molded on skewers, hit with blazing charcoal. Charred crust outside, juicy within. The smell travels a block. Cool herby chutney and lime cut the richness. Perfect counterpoint. Eat it straight or roll it. Protein-packed, flavor-forward. Complex spice warmth with a chili kick, balanced and bold. Sikh kebabs get a 9 out of 10. What a finish. 2 philosophies. Subtle perfection versus layered spice power. Time for the final scores. And that's a wrap. 8 dishes, 2 cities, 1 insane food battle. The final scores are in. Tokyo, 9.4. Mumbai, 9.5. Ramen hit perfect 10. Pav Bhaji matched it. By the slimmest margin, the winner is Mumbai. The power of spice and butter takes the crown today. Real talk, the winner is anyone who gets to eat this food. From Tokyo's delicate artistry, sushi and takoyaki, to Mumbai's bold chaos, vada pav and pani puri, every dish was a champ. Food defines a city's culture, energy, and soul. One of our most intense challenges yet, and I'm still sweating from that pani puri. What do you think? Did the right city win? Team Tokyo or Team Mumbai? Tell me which dish you want to try most. We've got more crazy food showdowns on the way. Like this video, smash that subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you next time.